Hi everyone. Today myself Sunit Marjaswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to insert interior and tool palettes in AutoCAD. Capricorn Technology, a Win Zero company and partner of choice for the AC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team members. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AEC industry and associated industry. Today agenda. Our today's agenda is to design the drawing in a systematic way and make the drawing presentable as well as save time. So let's move on AutoCAD skill and so how to insert the interiors and tool palettes. Today we will learn how to insert interiors in a building plan or how to add some standard blocks which are made and saved to your drawing. For this, I have a building plan and for design center, we can type DC enter. There is a design center window and lots of interiors we have. Double click on the interiors and OK, and double click on the plan and give the scale factor 2, enter, and rotation angle 45-degree, enter. Okay, then suppose kitchen layout, double click on kitchen layout. Okay, scale and scale factor 1, angle 0. Again, double click, enter, and give the scale factor 1, angle 0. So we have lots of interiors we have, and we can directly double click and insert in directly plan, and as we required we can use the move command and set my interiors. So here lots of drawings are there, like design center, electrical power, fastener matrix, fasteners, US, home space, house designing, SVAC, hydraulic. So double click on this tab and directly double click on blocks, and there are lots of drawings, bold drawings. So different field use different drawings. So we have all the fields, different drawings. As we can use, we can insert. And next option is tool palettes. So for tool palette, we'll type TP, enter. As soon as you type, the window of the tool palette will open, and in which there will be tab of different field. In that, the dynamic block made related to it will be saved. So suppose double click on trees, and click on this trees. uh, there is a blue control point. Click on blue control point, and there is a different views of these trees, like plan, elevation, vehicle. Double click on vehicle, blue control point, click on blue control point. There is a top view, front view, rear view. As we required, we can choose it, rear view. So friends, today I have covered two topics: design center and tool palettes. For more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion and query or topic would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.